Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you guys the best website to make money online doing micro jobs and some gigs. I will show you guys what does that mean after. So the website is called SproutGigs. SproutGigs. This website was previously named Pico Workers and they changed the name. I think the owner changed or a company bought it or something. I don't know. Okay. So after you go to the website, you will find the link in the description below. Wait, let me play some music. Okay, you will click sign up and then you will fill in your information. Please don't lie about your information because you will need it later for to receive your money and other things. So please don't lie in these informations and type everything correctly. Here you're gonna type your real name, your email, your password, and then you're gonna repeat your password here. And here you're gonna type a nickname. You can choose whatever you want. And here you're gonna select your country. This is so easy. I don't think anyone can like find this hard. This is so easy. Afterwards, you're gonna click sign up. I already have an account, so I will not do that because this website allows only one account for one user. You can't create multiple accounts. It's not allowed. Okay, we're gonna click login, and then I'm gonna log into my account. Okay, okay. This is the interface of the website. This is the website's interface. Once you log in, you're gonna find all of these jobs you can do, and each job has its payment. Here. For example, this one pays $1.2. This one, look how much. This one. There is so many jobs you can do. You can choose the category from here. If you want like jobs from Facebook, like a page or something, I'm gonna click this. For example, these jobs are about Facebook. If I want a job about, I don't know, Reddit, I can click here and then apply. Look, I can upvote a post on Reddit and I get this amount of money for it. It's so easy, fast, doesn't need time. Okay, this, for example, TikTok. You can do this job about TikTok and get paid. For example, whatever one. Let's see. Twitter. There is no jobs for Twitter because I have done all of them, but you will find jobs here once you create an account. For example, YouTube. I will click here. Okay, I can watch a video and like it and comment for this amount of money, or watch a clip for this. So easy. For example, I will show you guys how to do it. You're gonna click here on the job, and then this is what the website wants you to do. Follow these steps, and then after you complete these steps, you're just gonna send the proof that you did the job. For example, this job requires a screenshot of my browser history and then like a question about the video. You're just gonna answer these questions easily here, and then you're gonna click submit proofs. Just as easy as that. Okay, this is how you earn from this website. It's so easy. You can do as many jobs as you want. Look, you can create a Gmail account for this amount of money. You can. There is so much to do. Look, guys. Legit. The website, it doesn't end. Look how many. Imagine if you do this all like a day. How much you're gonna make? Fucking hundreds of dollars. Today, just like by working half an hour, I made $2. Look, guys. Legit. Today, I made $2 just by working like half an hour or something. It's so easy, and you make so much money doing this. And there is another way to earn, guys. You can earn by surveys, by filling surveys I will show you guys. One second. We're gonna click here. Okay, my country is like a bit poor, so there's no service for me. But if you live like in Canada or Europe, th- there is gonna be a lot of service to fill and make money. And the other way to earn as well is offers, by doing offers. I will show you this. Okay. For example, if I go here, I can do these tasks and get paid as well. Look, each task you're gonna get paid this amount of money. Okay. After you work, guys, I will show you guys how to withdraw your money after you reach $5. Look, I worked like for I stopped working for a while and then I came back. That's why this balance is very low. Look, I got payment for $23 and there for $5. Okay. To request your money, you're gonna click here. And then you're gonna choose PayPal, Litecoin, whatever you want. Skrill, I personally like Skrill because it's easy and it's fast. You're gonna click here and then you're gonna just withdraw your money easily. You need $5 to withdraw. You can't withdraw less than $5. Okay. Okay. For like more and more money, there is an option called Gigs. Gigs is like Fiverr, but for this website. You can do it, and you can just do the micro jobs and ignore this. But if you are like have something like a talent, or you are good at, you have a good voice, or you are a good designer, you can make money off this option. It's like Fiverr, but for this website, you know. Look, this guy, for example, says, "I will write a high quality blog post for $1." It's cheap, but you know you can do it if you want. But I would rather do the micro jobs because it's easier. This is easier, and you can make more money on this. Okay, guys, I will leave the link for the of the website in the description, guys. If you wanna register, you can. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you.